The University of Texas at San Antonio is a top-tier university engaged in global research, generating new discoveries, leading to international recognition in areas including cloud computing, biomedicine, and sustainability. UTSA was ranked among the top 100 universities in the United States for teaching, research, and international outlook. UTSA attracts students, faculty members, and research collaborators from 90 countries around the world, including researchers from Harvard, Yale, Stanford, and MIT from the U.S.
One of the things I really hope to achieve here at UTSA, and it's in the area of cardiogenesis and stem cells. So we actually use chemistry here at UTSA in my group. We make molecules that specifically target stem cells within the adult heart. When somebody suffers a heart attack, your heart responds by generating scar tissue. And what we like to do is convince your heart that instead of generating that scar tissue, how about you generate new heart muscle to repair your heart? And we actually have molecules that are capable of doing that now in a way that we've never been able to do before.
Our research here in Dr. Garcia's lab is in microanalytical chemistry, and the platform that we use is capillary electrophoresis, which is a relatively new technique for analyzing real samples. And what we're trying to do is to take this technique, which is typically done in a lab, and to miniaturize it into a microchip platform that can be used out in the field and get instant feedback. For example, in environmental settings, analyze water samples, soil samples, air samples. Also, the microchip platform can be used in biomedical applications, so if you have patients out in the field, you won't have to send the samples to the lab and wait for the results. You can have the results immediately.
The renowned Ponemon Institute ranked UTSA's cybersecurity program as #1 in the nation. With a unique interdisciplinary approach, UTSA's College of Business, College of Engineering, and College of Sciences combine to offer degree programs and research in cybersecurity. UTSA continues its innovative leadership with a new online Bachelor of Business Administration for Cybersecurity degree, available to students from across the United States.
I'm lucky enough to be the primary investigator of an international research study. We're working in Malawi, which is a small but very densely populated country in Southeast Africa. And in Malawi, we're working with the government to develop learning materials for their children. We printed in Malawi about 5.5 million books, very well received by the country and the government. It's a combination of teachers tell their stories, and then we take those stories and we push them up instructionally so that they can be used to teach early grade reading. You know, this shows UTSA can do the hardcore science, but also the more soft science and the social science of human research and what we can do to make people's lives better.
Music is a universal language. It really is a universal language, and it doesn't matter what you speak, where you come from. You can take any kind of music, learn from it, and you adapt to your life. You make sense of your life through music. One of the reasons I want to teach is because as a teacher, you're a leader. And I think being a leader means being able to reach out to all kinds of people, no matter where they are in their life, no matter what kind of person they are. And you reach them and you feel their best potential. You push them, you inspire them, you help them to really be their best. And through music, this can happen.
UTSA offers 163 degree programs across 8 colleges. The university continues to build new programs, such as its degree in chemical engineering, that are meeting the demands of the global workforce. It's also a leader in industry income, which measures UTSA's commercialization activity, including innovations, inventions, and industry consultancies. Ranked among the top 4 young universities in the United States, UTSA's academic and research programs are among the top in the world, and our students are getting world-class education and training to prepare them for their careers. Dedicated to excellence in education and innovative research, UTSA is a top-tier university.